Hey y'all, super excited to share. This one is Whimsical Witchery. The kit is from Cat's Curio Creations. Let's get started with a flip through. Love the colors in this. I am a purple freak. Some of the bits and pieces in here are from a different kit, or two or three. This is only one, the main one, and really the only one I can remember exactly where it came from because I wrote that down. These pieces, I believe, are from a different kit, and this tag right here, I just have it labeled as purple add-on, so I have no clue where it came from. This gorgeous bling that has purple and green in it. All of these are pullouts. I left the insides white so that you could doodle or take notes or whatever your little heart desires. I have glitter absolutely everywhere because, you know, it's the herpes of the crafting world. Went ahead and opened these doors down here to hide the goodies in there. I added that piece also just to complete the cabinet. Tons of cards. These are supposed to be file folders. I wasn't sure how to incorporate that, so I just kind of did my own thing with it. Of course, there's journaling on the back. I did add some stitching on this little bundle right here of lavender. I love lavender. I actually have it in my yard. It's so nice sitting on the front porch in the summer with the wind blowing. I can smell it. I have it on two ends of my house, and it just envelops you. This is a folio. It's supposed to be a folio, but I kind of made it into a notes journal. Double-sided papers on every page. Created this little tag from leftover bits and pieces. I love this technique. My best friend showed it to me. I don't know where she picked it up from. Trish can probably chime in somewhere and let us know if she remembers. If she's like me, she'll be clueless. This holographic paper is super fun. I don't whip it out very often. It's very eye-catching though. I love these little cottages. Lots of tags. Oh, I forgot there's more in there. And of course I had to add some bling to the butterfly. It really makes it pop. And there is some liquid glass on there. This little girl in her herb garden. Some more tags. There are so many journaling cards in this kit. I wasn't sure which ones were actually supposed to be journaling cards and which ones I reduced printed. A couple of little envelopes in here all have double-sided writing page in there. I did create pockets, and almost all the pages from the top are from the outside, with as many places to hide things as possible. I didn't even put stuff in all of them. I thought that whoever ends up with the journal might want to add some of their own bits and pieces, so I left lots of room to expand and add. And of course, I'm all about journaling spots. Yeah, there's one right there. Oh, that's open. Another envelope has the same journal pages in there. And those are thin paper, so they really fit nicely and don't add a lot of bulk. Some more cards. Lots of kitty cats. And then this is actually just a paper bulldog clip. I made these cute little notebooks in the same colors. I kind of just splotted the colors on there, kind of like light orbs or dancing shadows, whatever you want to call it. more places to write on that one. I thought about adding some hexagons to this sheet to repeat the honey pattern, but in the end I chose not to. There's just so much. This is an old die I have. It's from Brutus Monroe. I'm sure it's not available anymore, but if it is, you should go grab it. It's really fun. I love having strange and different dies that you don't really see a ton of. Use some old mulberry paper around the edges right here. I love the texture of mulberry paper. It's so fun. Another sheet. I actually didn't do any of the stamping on this. There was so many little details from the artist that I didn't feel like there was any need to add anything. Her art is so pretty. And, ooh, the constellations. This little flip out right here, that's that same paper I made from the scraps. Well, I thought there was 2 cards in there, but apparently there's not. I don't know where that kitty cat ended up at. The tag here. Oh, there it is. That doesn't go there. It goes there. I didn't open these cabinet doors. I just wanted it to be a little bit different than the other one instead of doing a repeat technique. There's just a couple of little pockets in here, little tuck spots, more little squares. Raven. And then this one is from a different artist. This might be Ephemeral Fox. I'm not 100% sure. That was a freebie one week. And last page is just a bunch of tags and bookmarks. That is it. I hope you've enjoyed my little walkthrough. Have a great day.